These are the air sounds, and these are the completely opposite, which is no air sound. Or sometimes they call it strong or intensive sound. What do you mean by no air sound? It's strong and intensive sound. It goes like this. I'll make the sound for you first. I'll go with this one first. Ka, 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 ta, pa, sa, cha, ka, ta, pa, sa, cha. The reason that it is categorized as a no air sound is because if you put your hands in front of you, ka will release the minimum air, but instead of this, if you do this, this is ka. Lots of air coming out, right? Even your saliva is coming out. This one, ka. You don't feel much of air coming out from the mouth. But this one, ka or medium ka. 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 Basically, these are the same family, but it's just a different way of releasing the air. You can practice yourself and put your hands in front of your mouth and you can feel it. Ka, ka, ka. You will see that this one will be having a least amount of air coming out from the mouth. That's why we call it no air sound. Or because of no air sound, it becomes intensive. In a way, intensive, why? Is because from the throat perspective, let's say there's air coming out, right? This one, you're like completely open. This one, you close it. And then you close it how you do, and close it and compress it. Ka. Ka is like an open throat to ha, ka. And same goes to the rest of them. They have a family member. Ka, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ka. Da, ta, ta. Da, ta, ta. Ba, pa, pa. Ba, pa, pa. Sa, sa. Sa, sa. Ja, cha, cha. Can you feel the differences in terms of sound? Or are they same to you all? You need to be able to distinguish the sound, differentiate the sound, only then you'll be able to pronounce it. Yet you also need to know what that person speaks. Okay, now